In this video, I'm going to show you how to default to 3 sets each exercise in Fitbod. So the first thing I must tell you is that there isn't actually a way to do that in the app where you would just like press a button inside settings and that would happen. However, you can kind of manually get this to work in the following way. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the workout tab at the very bottom left to of course open up your workout. And then in here, the first thing I would recommend is that you actually go ahead and remove the sets you don't want yourself. So for example, over here I have like the barbell bench press. I can go in here, I have 4 sets, and I can remove one by basically just sliding it to the left like this, and it's gonna get removed, and I now have 3 sets. Now the second one has 3, this one has 3, and then the leg extension has 2, so I can go ahead and add a set. There we go. And just make sure you go ahead and basically set every single exercise to 3 sets. Now for some time you will have to be doing this manually. However, the app should learn your preference more over time, and then it will basically stay closer to what you prefer. Okay, so the app, of course, as I said, will learn, and it's going to adjust to where it's going to keep giving you 3 sets if it basically notices, if the AI notices that you essentially prefer 3 sets and are every single time looking for 3 sets no matter which exercise. So that's kind of the only workaround you can do. I wish I could give you a better solution, but that's pretty much how it is. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.